This video is brought to you by TK Less Elevators are the best new username SSC recently changed it to I Lift158 on Roblox. This is TK Less Elevators are the best Lift158's Plaza shopping mall, and it's lift suicide. Now to the first, let's see some nice glass OT Series 1 lifts. Oh my god, I just glitched. That was just so weird. Wow. I just fell off a lift floor. I just fell and tripped myself to the lift floor. I can't really give up with this lift short time video. I can't really give up with it. Now to the staff only lift, which is some really nice Otis lifts. Pretty nice cap. Now let's try getting the other lift. These are some really decent old Otis lifts. This has never been on one of these before. Coming off of the service area and into the next, this is some more glass OT Series 1 lifts. And now, onto the lifts in the car park. And there was the first set of car park lifts. And into the first set of car park lifts as some really nice Coney Series 220. I just recently pressed the emergency stop button, and the doors are not opening. And now, onto the other set of car park lizards, which is a different generations of Ascensoris Reese lifts. And first to the left lift, which is the first generation Ascensoris Reese lift. Now to the next lifts. Now to the second generation one.
First floor. Going up.
Oh my god, I just fell again. This is just freaking tripped me for no reason.
First floor. Going up. Eighth floor. Going down. Eighth floor. Going down. First floor. Going up.
So that's it for this lift tour. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on to post notifications. And I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, folks.